In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a Notion page with password. By the end, you'll know how to secure your Notion content by adding a password to your account so your pages stay protected. First, open the Notion page you want to lock. This step helps you confirm you are in the right workspace and looking at the exact page you want to keep private. If you keep multiple workspaces or tabs open, pause for a second to make sure you are on the correct one before you continue. Next, look to the left side of your screen for the sidebar. Click the Settings option there to open Settings and Members. And then head into the Account section. This is where Notion manages your sign-in details and security preferences. If you are using the desktop app, the layout will look similar to the web version. On a browser, the same controls appear in the left sidebar. The Account tab is your hub for password and login controls, so you are in the right place. Now, click Add Password. If you originally signed in with a single sign-on method, such as a federated login, this is where you create a standalone password for your Notion account. Choose a strong, memorable password and store it somewhere safe. A strong password typically mixes length with a variety of characters. Avoid reusing passwords you use elsewhere. If you are prompted to confirm changes, follow the on-face screen instructions to save. Once you've added your password, your Notion content, including the page you opened at the start, is effectively locked behind your account credentials. The next time you access your workspace on a new device or browser, you'll be asked for that password. This helps prevent unauthorized access and adds a layer of protection to your notes, documents, and databases. If you share a computer, remember to close Notion or sign out when you are done, so the page stays protected. A quick note on what to expect: adding a password doesn't change the content of your page or move it. It simply requires your password when your account is accessed. If you don't immediately see the Add Password option, make sure you are in the Account section within Settings and Members, and that your app or browser is up to date. That's it. You open the page you want to protect. Went to Settings on the left. Selected Account, clicked Add Password. And your Notion content is now secured behind your new password. Thanks for watching.